Hello guys, in this video I'll be showing you how to play a video on YouTube on your phone even though it's closed or your phone screen is off. You won't be needing your YouTube app that I have open here, but the first method that I will be giving to you is that you need YouTube Premium if you really want it to work like that. If you want the paid route, then that's the easier way. But if you want to have the free one, then all you need to do is go to your Google Chrome browser and make sure that desktop site is enabled. And then you need to do is search up youtube.com on your URL. And as you can see here, I'm in the youtube.com homepage. Just click on a video that you want to play, and let me just skip the ad in this one. Alright, so this video is currently playing and we want it to be playing even though we're on our homepage or it's closed. So all you need to do is head over to your notifications and click on the play and it's gonna be playing. It's that simple. Thank you for watching this tutorial by Generation Unravel. And here I say, good luck on your endeavors. Bye bye!